What is up guys, welcome back to my channel Joshua Vaz's Vlogs. So guys, from morning I'm like trying to vlog, but then today's day is just like a whole rainy day. Like it's pure then it's raining, like from morning 3 o'clock it's continuously raining. Normally ऐसा May के महीने doesn't rain so much, like just the middle of May is going on and it's raining so heavily. और आज से कुछ ज़्यादा बारिश, कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया ना, ज़्यादा
कुछ भी.
Anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. यार फोन को इतना जोर से मारना नहीं चाहिए था, sorry phone जी. Anyways guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, कुछ दिन पहले, that is 10th of May, was my birthday and I did vlog on my birthday, but I didn't upload the video because the video is a little bit short, so I'll combine it in this video. Just go and see the birthday video. Today is a special day. आज है मेरा birthday and once again guys, this year also my birthday is in the lockdown. Like हमेशा हम मई अप्रैल वाले का बर्थडे ये लॉकडाउन में आता है. लास्ट टाइम also the COVID was increasing a lot during this month or the April May month, and this year once again the COVID is again increasing during the April May month. Guys, today I don't know exactly what is planned. Mostly in the evening we might just cut a cake, but then let's see. फिलहाल तो so guys, from yesterday none of my friends are like replying to my messages, and I know कि मतलब they must be planning something, इसके लिए they are like not replying to my messages. And just now like one of my friend messaged me saying that if you're coming to play Call of Duty, like it's 10 o'clock in the morning, और Call of Duty इतना सुबह गेम कौन खेलता है? अगर खेलता है तो पता नहीं, मैं तो नहीं खेलता भाई इतना सुबह गेम. तो मतलब लाइक इतना सुबह गेम कौन खेलता है यार. तो एंड नॉर्मली दे डोंट कम सो अर्ली टू प्ले गेम. तो यार अभी तो मेरा फुल एंड फाइनल पक्का हो गया कि दे मस्ट बी प्लानिंग समथिंग. अल्टीमेटली गाइस, माय फ्रेंड डिड अ ग्रुप कॉल एंड वी जस्ट हैड अ फन ऑनलाइन टाइम. बार जिंदगी में रिमोट केक प्रॉपर्ली ये लो खाओ. So guys, just got done with cutting the cake and also just click some amazing pictures which you'll get to see on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram. I'll give the link in the description down below. So guys, yesterday night we cut a cake and this cake we cut. Can you see this cake? तो ये जो केक है, it's a mango cake and ये जो इंसान है इसने केक बनाया. तो दिस केक like taste extremely good. The one that we cut right now, that was bought from outside. I mean that doesn't taste good. This tastes more good because इसमें बहन का प्यार है. So guys, this is the cake.
But the J is missing.
What
and
J?
This design of the whipped cream got melted.
छोड़
I
दे.
made a J with the
what?
cream.
Focus हो यार कैमरा मत कर.
The colored cream.
शायद गार्ड गायब. छोड़ दे, से क्या फर्क पड़ता है, केक खाने को है. What is the recipe of the cake? या फिर इसको भी खुद नहीं मालूम रहेगा. She only must have could YouTube to Google it out. रहने दे.
Recipe. You
छोड़ दो.
should go and check out Bake by Shivnesh.
Guys, you know it's really good to move on from the chocolate cake she bakes every time.
Not baking for your needs.
I mean the chocolate cakes are good, but most of the time she bakes chocolate. So
ये फंस गया.
like for a change, she baked the mango cake. After this, I'm never getting any cake or a cookie or anything. Just look how dark it's become outside. अभी मैं इधर खड़ा हूँ. Just look, it looks like it's something around like 6-7 o'clock in the evening. It's just looking right now like that. But actually the time is going to be 4:30. Like it's looking like seriously it's around like 7-6 o'clock in the evening. My phone outside on the tripod and I took a time lapse. So the time lapse you see it in 3, 2, 1. Hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse, and right now you can see कि कपड़ा changed है, hairstyle भी changed है, because I'm shooting this clip after almost 1 week. So guys, this is my PC. You must have seen it in many of my videos. So normally when you're using your PC, how do you use it? You use the keyboard and ये क्या हुआ भाई? अच्छा, and you use the mouse to control the PC. I'll show you an app which you can control your PC from your phone. Like you can control totally everything from your phone. The key. I'll just show you the app right now. Like control your PC from the phone. This is the app you need to download. It's called PC Remote. So this is the app you can see here. तो अभी मेरे को पहले connect करना है. So this is another. You have to download a receiver on your PC. So you can see here. First I'll on this, and now I need to click connect. So it's searching. So as you saw, it searched my desktop automatically. If this is on, it will automatically show on your phone. So I'll click on this. There you go. It got connected. Either showing. Now this is how the cool thing starts. So abhi I'll go on this mouse ka thing. So this is the scroll button. This is the right click button. Or you can see I press a right click. So this thing opens. Then this is the scroll wheel. Like you can click this, and then this is the left click button. So abhi isko bas main idhar karunga and refresh. And this is to scroll up and down. So now this is the touchpad. You can see here it's moving. Over here you can see this white thing. I'll just zoom into the screen. What are the cool features in this? There are like many features in this app. Okay, so first you can go music. So you can increase the sound. So wait, kya hua? Okay, you can increase the sound over here, and you can see this icon over here. And second, I will just open this. So now you can see the sound is increasing, decreasing over here. It's a PPT option. So basically, you know, when you have to present it, that's the time you can use this. बहुत सारे options there. You can like download this app and check it out. And you can use your phone wirelessly as a webcam through this app. And इसमें एक keyboard का option है. इधर keyboard आ जाता है, so you can type anything. So I'll show you this power cuff feature. So now I click on this, shut off the display. I can sign out, start the PC shutdown. I can lock it. I will shut down the PC. Actually, no, I'm not shut down क्योंकि कुछ apps चालू है. So I'll sleep put the PC to sleep. And I'll click on this. And okay, PC is gonna sleep. Isn't this app so cool? Like you can connect, you can control your PC from your phone. So that is it for this video, guys. I know I'm uploading the video late. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also go and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to notified. Do follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The link will be in the description down below. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Adios.
Be the best version of myself. Ain't tripping, I'm deserving all the wealth. Done did it so well, to say the least. I can feel it down deep inside myself. So important, just worrying less. Cause nothing worthy is stress.
So guys, this is the
as a journey to checks, they maybe touch 100,000 when I'm 30 at best. I remember feeling barely awake and trying to alienate. Had the impression that I made a mistake, but now I'm talking with the people who